August's full moon was last night, and we're looking ahead to a second full moon later on this month, both of which will be supermoons. And the second one is also called a blue moon. But let's get into why they're named all three of these. First, starting with the path of the moon. As it travels around Earth, first starting with a new moon, that's when it's between Earth and the sun. It eventually goes to first quarter, then full moon, which is on the opposite side of the Earth compared to the sun, and last quarter. But as the moon travels around the Earth, it's not a perfect circle. It actually takes an elliptical path, which is about 29.5 days to complete. And this is a weird shape where the Earth is not exactly the center of this oval. So the moon is actually closer to the Earth in some spots. The closest point from the moon to the Earth is called the Perigee. It's about 226,000 miles. And the furthest point from the Earth is called the Apogee, about 253,000 miles. Now, when we get a full moon and it's at the closest point to the Earth, the Perigee, that's what's known as a supermoon. It's about 30% brighter and 14% larger than a normal full moon. This happens about 3 to 4 times per year. What's even less common, though, is coming from the phrase once in a blue moon, is yes, a blue moon, but it's not actually the color. It just means that we have 2 full moons in 1 month, and that happens about once every 3 years. Even less common than that is when we have both 2 full moons in 1 month that are also both supermoons. That only happens once in every 8 years. And we're actually going to see that this month. We had our first full moon on August 1st. Our next is on August 30th. And obviously our meteorologists will keep an eye on that forecast for viewing conditions for that second full moon. Make sure to stay tuned for that. Reporting on the weather deck, I'm meteorologist Violet Skyber. Back to you.